Good day. Today I'm going to show how you can make the medical form collapsible. First, you will need to access your PX portal. Once you're inside the PX portal, click on the human icon located on the upper right corner of the screen and click Configuration. Click on Forms Configuration to show drop-downs. Turn on the Collapsible medical page. Once it has been saved, this is how it looks for the medical form. If they answered no for a category, it will not display specifics for that category. If they answered yes, it will show otherwise. Here is a quick preview of the before and after. And that is it. That is how you can make the medical form collapsible. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.